The reality television world has been buzzing with speculation and intense debate as 1000 LB Sisters enters a crossroads that could define its future. Season 8 has arrived with a mixture of excitement, skepticism, and concern from longtime viewer and new audiences alike. The reality series, which chronicles the challenging, inspiring, and sometimes controversial journeys of Amy Slayton and Tammy Slayton, has always been a polarizing program. From moments of personal triumph and heartbreak to health crises and family drama, the show has consistently kept fans talking. Yet, as season 8 unfolds, the conversation has shifted from curiosity to a critical question: should the series continue, or is it time to bring this chapter to a close? The show has always been a complex mixture of empathy, entertainment, and shock value. Fans have watched the sisters navigate life's struggles under the unflinching gaze of cameras that capture both their vulnerabilities and victories. Amy, known for her determination and grounded nature, has shared her weight loss journey, marriage, and parenthood with the world, inspiring many viewers to follow her life closely. Meanwhile, Tammy, whose life has often been portrayed as more tumultuous, has faced significant medical challenges, legal troubles, and highly publicized personal decisions, making her narrative one of the most compelling yet divisive aspects of the series. Season 8 has introduced new storylines that highlight both the progress and the ongoing struggles the sisters face, raising questions about whether continuing the show serves the sisters' best interests or merely capitalizes on their hardships. Fans are split in their opinions. On one side, loyal viewers express unwavering support for the sisters and argue that cancelling the show would deprive the audience of witnessing their ongoing journeys. Social media platforms are filled with threads discussing every scene, post-surgery update, and family interaction, with supporters emphasizing the importance of visibility and representation for individuals facing obesity-related challenges. Many argue that the show has become a source of education, offering insights into the physical, emotional, and psychological aspects of extreme weight and weight loss journeys. By continuing to watch and engage, fans feel they are celebrating the sisters' victories while also understanding the complexities of life with obesity, including the medical interventions, lifestyle changes, and societal pressures that accompany it. On the other side of the debate are critics who argue that the show may have overstayed its welcome and questions whether its continued production is ethical. Concerns about exploitation have been at the forefront, with detractors claiming that the program's focus on shocking visuals and dramatic moments risks prioritizing entertainment over the sisters' well-being. Discussions about mental health, consent, and the pressures of reality TV have become central to this discourse. Critics worry that the relentless exposure could exacerbate the sisters' personal challenges or send the wrong message to audiences about body image, health, and celebrity culture. These concerns are amplified as Season 8 documents ongoing medical procedures, weight loss surgeries, and personal conflicts, sparking debates over the line between empowerment and exploitation. The ratings for Season 8 have also fueled the conversation. On one hand, viewership numbers indicate that the show still captures a dedicated audience. Social media engagement, trending topics, and fan-driven content continue to demonstrate the series' cultural relevance. Yet, the same metrics also reveal a growing fatigue among viewers who express frustration over repetitive storylines, sensationalized drama, or perceived stagnation in the sisters' development. The question arises: does the show rely too heavily on past successes, or is it evolving in a way that justifies additional seasons? Season 8 introduces storylines that have sparked some of the most heated debates among fans. Amy's journey as a mother, wife, and businesswoman remains a focal point, with viewers closely analyzing her decisions and personal growth. Her candidness about health and weight loss challenges continues to resonate, while simultaneously drawing criticism from those who feel the show overly dramatizes her struggles. Tammy's narrative, characterized by medical complications and emotional vulnerability, has been equally controversial. From surgical recoveries to lifestyle choices, Tammy's experiences have become emblematic of the series' tension between reality and spectacle. Every moment she appears on screen prompts a wave of discussion about whether audiences are witnessing genuine growth or merely a cycle of crisis for entertainment purposes. Social media polls and fan forums have become battlegrounds for opinions on the show's future. On Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, and fan-based communities. Hashtags like number 1000 Elbsisters return and #cancel 1000 Elbsisters trend sporadically, reflecting a highly engaged but divided audience. Proponents argue that the show continues to inspire viewers, offering hope to those struggling with obesity and showing the transformative power of dedication and medical intervention. They highlight the sisters' authenticity, courage, and willingness to share intimate parts of their lives with the public. Opponents counter with the argument that the show has become increasingly exploitative, emphasizing dramatic incidents over meaningful progress, and questioning whether the sisters' privacy and mental health are being compromised for the sake of ratings. Experts in media ethics, psychology, and health have also weighed in, adding a professional perspective to the debate. Psychologists caution that public exposure of personal health struggles can have unintended consequences, including stress, pressure to maintain viewer expectations, and potential negative impacts on self-esteem. Media analysts note that reality television often walks a fine line between storytelling and sensationalism, and that the longevity of a show like 1000 Elbsisters depends not only on audience engagement but also on responsible portrayal of its subjects. These insights have added depth to the fan-driven debate, encouraging viewers to reflect on their own motivations for watching and the broader societal implications of reality TV focused on extreme life circumstances. Despite the controversies, there is no denying the cultural impact of 1000 Elbsisters. The series has sparked conversations about health, family dynamics, resilience, and personal growth that extend far beyond the screen. It has provided visibility for people living with obesity, highlighted medical and emotional challenges, and prompted discussions about the entertainment value versus ethical considerations of reality television. Whether one supports its continuation or calls for its cancellation, the show's influence on audiences and popular culture is indisputable. As the debate rages, the network faces a crucial decision. Renewing the show would capitalize on the existing fanbase and the cultural conversations it generates. However, cancellation could signal a shift toward more ethical programming and a reevaluation of how reality TV portrays sensitive subjects. Industry insiders speculate that ratings, social media trends, and public sentiment will heavily influence the final decision, making this a defining moment for both the series and its audience. Ultimately, the question of whether 1000 Elbsisters should continue is more than a simple yes or no. It is a reflection of societal attitudes toward body image, entertainment, personal struggle, and empathy. Season 8 has forced viewers to confront these issues head-on, prompting passionate debate about the line between inspiration and exploitation. Fans, critics, and media professionals alike are watching closely, aware that the show's next chapter could redefine reality television and the ways audiences engage with real-life stories of challenge, transformation, and resilience. As discussions continue, one thing remains clear: the Slayton sisters have left an indelible mark on reality TV. Whether Season 8 is a swan song or a continuation of their journey, the conversation surrounding the show highlights the complexities of modern entertainment, the responsibilities of media creators, and the profound connection viewers feel with the lives they watch unfold. In a world where reality television can both uplift and exploit, 1000 Elbsisters stands as a compelling case study of how fame, health, and family drama intersect under the public eye. Fans will continue to weigh in, opinions will continue to clash, and the sisters' lives will continue to unfold in ways that challenge, inspire, and provoke debate. Season 8 of may be the tipping point that decides the fate of 1000 Elbsisters. Whether the show returns for future episodes or concludes its run, it has already sparked meaningful conversation about the ethics of reality television, the portrayal of personal struggle, and the power of storytelling in shaping public perception. Fans' voices, now louder than ever, will likely influence the ultimate decision, proving that even in the world of reality TV, audience engagement matters as much as the drama on screen. "You better not" has become more than a catchphrase. It is a call to reflection, a plea for ethical consideration, and a challenge to viewers to think critically about the entertainment they consume. In the end, the question remains: should 1000 Elbsisters continue to document the lives of Amy and Tammy Slayton, or is it time to close the chapter? letting their stories inspire from afar while preserving their dignity and well-being? The answer may not come easily, but the debate ensures that the sisters' impact on reality television and their fans will not be forgotten anytime soon. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.